Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change a Google Chrome homepage. If you're tired of seeing the default Google screen every time you open a new tab or hit the home button, you can easily set your favorite website, a dashboard, or maybe internal tool as your primary Google Chrome homepage. In here, what you need to do is just open your Chrome and then navigate to the on startup by going to the three dots icon, go to the settings, and in here you'll see the option on startup. Okay, so there are three options and three actions that you can do. You can open and if you want to set and open the new tab page in here, continue where you left out, or open a specific page or set of pages. So here I've already set a few actually. Whenever I open the Google Chrome, these pages will open in automatically. So let's say I'm going to add a new page here. You can just click on this buttons right here and enter the page. For example, I'm going to go with, let's say, facebook.com. Just enter it here. Then you can just tap on add. Whenever I open a new window of Chrome, these pages will be automatically open. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next